Greetings from Florida. We're working on a 2002 to 2010 Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer. This is the left rear door. We're going to take off the cover right there before we take off the switch housing. It's important to take that off first. You've got just one tab there. You've got, I want to say 7mm screws. Could they be 8? They could be, I can't remember, but it's probably 7mm. If you find this video beneficial, helpful to you, do me a favor and like the video, L-I-K-E, like the video. So you got a screw down there. You'll need an extension for the screw that's up at the top. Pretty easy. Door panel lifts up, straight up, comes off easily. I'm going to take off all the moisture barrier so you can see what's going on. The way you can tell, if you're hearing a crunching, grinding sound, that's your regulator, which comes with the motor. If you're hearing nothing, could be a driver's master control switch. It might be the motor inside the door, which comes with the regulator, but it could be your master control switch too. It wasn't doing anything, so I put the key back on to go ahead and see if I could figure out what the problem was before I start taking everything out of the door. Speaker screws are probably 6mm. And here I was taking out the 3 bolts that hold the motor in, trying to get that out of the way to see if I could get the glass up far enough to get access to the bolt holding the glass to the regulator. 7/16 nuts hold the motor regulator assembly onto the door. Now normally that's a rivet. I think somebody had done this before. Oh no, I guess there was a rivet back in there. So you're banging out the center point of the rivet, the mandrel, the center point of the rivet, and then you're going to drill out the rivet itself. And then to put it back in, you're either going to need the large rivet tool that'll accommodate the 1/4-inch regulator rivets, or you could use a 1/4-inch nut and bolt. putting the window up using a suction cup. By the way, every now and then, every 3 or 4 months, lightly WD-40 the 2 up and down channels that the glass travels in. They dry out and cause the glass to grab, so a little dab will do you. And that's the rest of the regulator. Again, 7/16 bolts, so I'll hold that in. Not 7/16 nuts, so I'll hold that in. I did have one small issue with this where somebody had reversed the polarity of the wires. They just swapped the 2 wires for the previous motor that they had put in there. So all I had to do was just swap them back. It wasn't a big deal. And you're going to see that. You can fast forward through it, but you'll see it. So now, once I have it back down where that oval is, I'm going to line it back up again, put in, using the light just to see where the hole is, I'm going to put in 1/4 inch regulator rivet. Just using a punch to line up that hole. Again, do me a favor, like the video. That's all you gotta do. If you like the video and it was helpful to you, do me a favor, just like the video. That's the regulator tool you need, the rivet tool you need for the regulator rivets. And you can see that up is down and down is up. So what I'm going to do here is just unplug the wires and just swap them around, which really wasn't that hard to do. And you should be able to watch the rest of the solo without me narrating it. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great week. If you need these, you can probably find them on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com. And thanks for watching.